Filmed a little video yesterday. It didn't turn out real well, and unfortunately, it's one of the ones I can't reshoot. So we're gonna play it the way it is. So, uh, told my neighbor when I was building this big drone, he was kind of following a couple of the crashes and stuff, and he's not into a lot of tech stuff. He's an old school guy, and cool dude. But he asked me, "What are you gonna do with something that can lift so much weight?" And I said, "Well, I might just fly some beer over to you one day." And he laughed and he said, I'd like to see that. So yesterday was the day. It was a little windy. I couldn't go over the trees like I wanted to. So did a little makeshift, threw a six pack in a little cooler, and flew it over. So I started the first video. It sucked. It was a vertical. I don't know what the hell happened, but here it is. So I told my neighbor when I get this thing done, I was going to do a beer delivery, six pack. So here we go. Alright, so here's the main video of the flight here, and you'll see. So you can see it has some stability issues when it's low to the ground, especially with weight on it. And the biggest thing for that is the ground effect. As you can hear that the motors are a lot louder when it has weight because it's having to produce more thrust in order to maintain the hover. The closer you are to the ground, the more that air bounces off and creates turbulence. It's called a ground effect, and it begins to push the copter left and right. The GPS makes it pretty stable, but flying underneath trees, you do lose GPS every now and then. I didn't have a good lock yesterday, so it wasn't perfect conditions, but went ahead and did it anyways. I was in stabilized mode, and I switched into loiter, and it worked fine. Getting the flight modes done on this thing, I still have not tuned it. It's been too windy. I haven't had enough time, so maybe today I'll get the auto tune on it. I'm going to try to get some video of that. Get some little bit better video. I've got the camera set back up again. Been out of town working. We've been flying power lines down in North Carolina, out on the Outer Banks, inspecting the transmission lines. And it's pretty much been gone for like 2 weeks. So a couple of videos I shot down there, and so hopefully get some more content up here. And it's going to be probably short videos for a while, but people seem to like the short videos, so that works out too. And anyways, if you like it, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come up, and hope to catch you later.